If you haven't been able to find those cutie wooden bags from dollar store, this video is for you. Let's keep watching. Hi guys, it's Fanny from Creative by Fabi. Welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this beautiful wooden house using Valentine iron. You hear that? Valentine iron. So let's get creative. So I'm going to start off with the materials you will need. One of those big hearts, a small hearts as well, some jumbo popsicle sticks, a little basket, middle basket, and also some florals from dollar store as well. Some stickers and also some paint, gray paint and also white paint and black paint as well. I didn't show it in here. So first I'm going to start removing the Valentine part. Next I'm going to be using the cutter and I'm going to be tracing directly on the lines that the heart already have, as you can see. So I'm going to be kind of tracing a couple times and then just fold it, and that thing came out just easily as you can see. Then I'm going to be cutting the excess with the scissor just like so to smooth it out, and then I'm going to be doing the same thing on the bottom. So when I'm done cutting, I'm going to be using the same paper to smooth it out the edges just like so, and also wipe it up a little bit just like so. And now we have the little house ready to keep working on it. Next I'm going to be creating the frame with the jumbo popsicle sticks. So I start marker where I'm going to be cutting just like so. I'm going to be doing that with the entire little house. Just smooth it out when I cut just like so. Now repeat the same step with the sizes of the little house, just cutting the popsicle sticks just like so. And now we're going to be using the hot glue and start to create in the frame, or glue in the frame. As you can see, it starts to look like a house. Don't you think so? So then I added more hot glue inside to make sure it stays in place. So I'm going to be doing the same thing with the roof. As you can see, I cut the roof a little bit larger to the shape of the bottom of the little house that I already have, but that was on purpose. I kind of wanted like that. So then after I added the hot glue, I used the masking tape just to keep it in place, as you can see. So then I glued the top, removed the excess with the leftover popsicle stick, added more masking tape, and as you can see, we have a little house, but we're not done yet. So to reinforce the edges, I'm going to add in 2 more popsicle sticks. So I repeat the step, just mark it how long I want it, and also then cut it, smooth it out, and then add some hot glue and place it together. Okay, you can do this before you glue the first popsicle stick. What I mean is just cut both popsicle stick together and then glue it together, and then just glue it on the frame. I mean on the board, on the little house. Oh my gosh. So next I went ahead and grabbed one of the suburb of the heart, and I'm going to be tracing the bottom, the shape of the bottom of the house. Okay, why I'm doing that and not using another popsicle stick to create the bottom? One is because I want a little bit stronger, because I'm going to be gluing something else on it. So I did the same thing, used the cutter and then the scissor to smooth it out. Now I'm going to be using some hot glue and glue it, just like so. Next, I went ahead and added some hot glue, an extra hot glue, to make sure it stays in place. So now I'm going to be removing the masking tape, just like so. And now we're basically ready to create whatever we want on our little house. So I'm going to start giving like a light coat of white paint, just like so. Next, I'm going to give it a coat of the gray paint, as you can see, to the entire little house. So before the paint is dry, I'm going to use a dry brush, just like so, to create those little weather look or distressed look. Okay, that thing. So next, with the black paint, I'm going to be painting the edges of the little house, but I also going to be painting the top, the roof of the little house, outside and inside as well, as you can see. So now I'm going to leave the house on the side for a little bit, cut one of those little hearts, and remove the tags, and use the same paper to smooth it out, just like so. Wipe it out, and then I'm going to give it a coat of white paint, just like so. I also give it like a little soft brushes of the leftover gray paint. So next, with the stickers, I'm going to be spelling the word hello spring, and then with the tweezer, I just make sure that I spread it out the way I want it. I put it on the side. So now I'm going to be working with a little basket. I'm going to be cutting a popsicle stick in half, just like so. And next, I'm going to be measuring how large I want the popsicle sticks to be able to glue the little basket. So as you can see here, I'm trying to just to see how to work with, and then I just mark it with the pencil and then cut it. And now I'm going to give you a light coat of paint, just like so. And next, I went ahead, added some hot glue and glue it on the bottom, just like so. So now I already have a base, so it will be easy to glue the little basket. So I went ahead, added some hot glue and glue the little basket on, just like so. And here adding more hot glue. Of course, make sure the little baskets stay in place. So now we are ready to decorate your little basket, but first I'm going to be gluing the little heart, so you can place it on the top or in the center. So I'm going to be gluing on the center, as you can see. Add some hot glue on it, and voila. So now let's decorate the little basket. Yay! This is my favorite part. I have to confess that. So I went ahead, cut the flowers, just like so. I also removed the leaves because I didn't like it. I think the leaves made it look even faker. So with leftover styrofoam, I kind of cut small piece, almost the same size of the little basket. Yeah, kinda. And then adding some hot glue on it and glue it just like so. And now I'm going to be just adding the little flowers, just like so. This is so fun because you can use any flowers you want, or just succulents, or you can also add some Spanish moss if you want it. I didn't want it because I didn't want mess all over the house or at least in the table where I'm going to be placing this little house. But we're going to be covered that part. So as you can see, I added different levels of the little flowers, just like so. And then here I'm trying to show you the ribbons that I was trying to figure out which one to use. And this part, honestly, I don't know how to explain that, but that's what I did with the ribbon, just like so. That ribbon I purchased from Walmart, so that one is not Dollar Tree. And then I just added some glue on the back, just like so. And we basically almost done. As you can see, you still see the styrofoam, so I added another little flowers that I have around and just cover those spaces, and that's it. Oh my goodness, I don't know, I personally love it, the way it came out. Just the yellow color is beautiful. And yeah, and there you have it. I have my little wooden house that I was so crazy to have one. And yeah, that's it. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. Also comment, share, and like this video. So see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.